Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their landscape and their gardens that they're proud of. This video has grown a lot month to month to month over the last couple of years, and there are over 100 photos in this particular video. The email address to send photos is right here. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. So this will be the first Sunday in July. All of these photos were collected over the month of June. The other Sundays every month I do a question and answer video. If you have gardening questions, you can ask them down below this video, and I will sift through those and pick ones that I haven't answered before or I think will help the group the most. And so next Sunday, that's what you'll see is question and answer. Be sure to label the emails for the subscriber photos as subscriber photos or something like that so I can sift through them. As you can imagine, if you put your email address on a video every week on YouTube and it gets a lot of views, I get a lot of emails. And that began a process of me not labeling the photos this month. This is the first month I have not labeled the photos in the history of this video. But I had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of emails to sift through to get the subscriber photos. I downloaded all the subscriber photos. I got them over to my editing software, and almost every photo is a different size, shot in a different format, shot with the phone up, shot with the phone sideways, whatever. 100 photos later of getting them to look their best on this video, and I realized I won't be able to label them. I'm gonna have hours and hours and hours more to label these videos, so these photos, so they're not labeled. I apologize for that. I know some people are going to be disappointed by that. It's the sheer number of them and the sheer number of emails that I sift through to get to this point of having this video assembled. I'm really happy that it's grown like it has. This is not negative in any way. This is all a positive that people want to participate in the channel, and that the channel has such positive people who are working very hard in their landscapes. And I hope you sit and watch these photos of people's very, very hard work in their landscapes and how they're going. And I also read through all of your positive messages that you send me, and a lot of those I move over to another folder, and I will, I return those when I get a chance. I'm sorry I'm behind on a lot of those email things, but like I say, putting your email address on a video every week has added up to a lot of emails. But thanks to everyone for all your positivity on this channel. This is a very positive group of folks that watch my videos, and I'm super, super appreciative of that. And this is a great video of lots of hard work that people have put into their landscapes. Okay. And Holly has decided to take a break over here. I think you can see her. She's taking a break on this area right here. I've tilled a couple times. I'm sodding on Tuesday. I have sod coming. So on the Wednesday update video, you will see this has been sodded here and in the front. Lots of big projects going on in here right now. I've got stuff all over the place back here. You might be able to see all the irrigation supplies. Tons of projects going on. It should be a good week of moving this landscape and garden forward. And if you haven't watched my videos, there's a playlist called New House up here in the corner, and you can see where this was. I couldn't even stand where I'm standing right now a few months ago, and it's looking pretty good at this point. It's got a long, long way to go, but I hope you'll subscribe to the channel and follow along as I re-landscape this urban space on 2/10 of an acre lot in Raleigh, North Carolina. Sorry that the photos are not labeled, but they're great photos. Thank you very much for watching, and next Sunday will be question and answer. Here they are.